Hello friends, welcome to another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a table of content in your report. The table of content is the first thing that you have to create in thesis writing or any other feasibility study report. At first you have to prepare a table of content. In the left side you are seeing a table of content. You have to provide some chapter or heading. Under heading there are subheadings, so this way you have to create a TOC, that is table of content. Now I want to add the table of content in my report, in the very first page of my report. How we can do it? This is the whole 136 page report, as you see in the lower left corner. So how can I do it? Let's say I want to add the table of content here. Now insert, click on the references tab, and on the left side you will see here table of contents, and click here, and what style you want. There is a by default styles, and you can also custom your table of contents just clicking on here, custom table of contents. I want this style. Okay, first one. So let's see what happened. So a table of content already created. See, this is my chapter 1 introduction, and all the headings and subheadings are here. Now this is, you can change the font size or anything. If you want to add extra, you can add. Thank you. Thanks for watching.